In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by Webflow. If you've ever noticed the small Made in Webflow badge that appears on your published site and want a cleaner footer, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll switch off that badge right from your project settings. Start by opening Webflow and signing into your account. If you land inside the designer for a project, look for the Webflow logo or the dashboard link to return to your main workspace. From the dashboard, find the specific site you want to update. Hover over its card and choose Settings, represented by the gear icon. This opens the site's project settings in a new view. You should be on the General tab by default. If not, select General from the top navigation. Scroll until you see the Branding section, where Webflow gives you the option to display or hide its attribution. Locate the switch or checkbox labeled Display Made in Webflow badge. Go ahead and turn that off. That's the change that removes the Powered by Webflow credit from your site's footer. A quick note about plans. Depending on your account or site plan, this toggle may be locked. Hiding the badge typically requires a paid site plan. If you see that you can't change it, upgrade the site plan first, then come back to this setting and turn the badge off. Once the toggle is off, your preference is saved in the project. The removal will be reflected the next time your site is published. If you don't see the update right away, wait a moment and refresh the live page. Browser caching can hold onto old assets, so a hard refresh can help. If you manage multiple Webflow sites, repeat this same process for each project where you want the badge hidden. This preference applies only to this project and doesn't modify the designer interface. If you're using a theme that adds its own footer credit, that's separate from the Webflow badge and can be edited directly in your layout. That's all there is to it. You navigated to your dashboard, opened the site's settings, went to the General tab, and disabled Display Made in Webflow badge. It's a small adjustment that can make your brand presentation feel more polished and professional.